this is the first order differential equation. So we need to solve this. First of all, separate these two variables such as dx by dt is equal to x by x. As we know that if we have a e to the power a plus b, we can write a e to the power a into e to the power b. So using this technique, we can write this equation as e to the power t into e to the power 2x. Now simplify further. Dx by dt is equal to t upon et into x e to the power 2x. Also simplify this equation. Dx by dt is equal to t by e to the power t into 1 by x e to the power 2x. Okay, now we need to separate this, the function which is depend upon t and the function which is depend upon x. So we can multiply by dt in both side. If we multiply dt in both side, so dt and dt is cancel out and the equation becomes dx is equal to t upon e to the power t into 1 by e to x into e to the power 2x into dt. Now if we multiply by x into e to the power 2x in both side, x into e to the power 2x into dx equal to t upon e to the power 2x into 1 by x into e to the power 2x into dt, and x e to the power 2x, x into e to the power 2x is cancel out. So equation becomes x into e to the power 2x dx is equal to t by e to the power t into dt. Here the variable is separate from both sides. Now we integrate this equation. Integration dx e to the power 2x dx is equal to integration t upon e to the power t into dx. Simplify this equation. Integration x e to the power 2x dx is equal to integration t e to the power minus t into dt. We have equation x into e to the power 2x into dx is equal to integration t into e to the power minus t into dt. For solving this equation, we need to Eilert rule. Here I for inverse, L for logarithm, A for algebra, and T for trigonometry, and E for exponential. First of all, these rules are as here x is algebraic and this is an exponential function. So according to this rule, algebraic is first, then exponential. So algebraic function in this equation, algebraic function is taken out from integration, left side term. Algebraic function is out from integration and integrate exponential function. Okay, and we take a minus, then integration. Which function is taken out from integration? Integrate this function x into dx, x upon dx. Okay, and further integrate these terms e to the power 2x into dx, and integrate and whole term. Okay, and x, if we integrate, as we know, if we integrate e to the power x into dx, then the solution becomes e to the power x upon this coefficient, yani means a. So using this technique, e to the power 2x upon 2 okay, minus if we differentiate x with respect to x, the solution becomes 1, okay, and this integration is type of this equation, so we can write e to power 2x upon 2 into dx. Simplify this equation, x upon 2 e to power 2x minus this one is a constant, so taken out from integration, so e to power 2x into dx. Now x upon 2 e to power 2x minus 1 by 2. This one is, this integration is type of this equation, so we can write e to power 2x upon 2. So x upon 2 e to power 2x minus 1 by 4 e to power 2x. This is a solution of left side, and similarly we can solve this right side equation. Here the right side term is integration t into e to power minus t into dt. Here a is algebraic function, like algebraic function, and t is a exponential function. Exponential is last term, so we taken out t from integration, t taken out, and integrate e to power minus t into dt, and minus integration, t is taken out from integration, so t differentiate with respect to t, because here dx integration term and here is a dt, so we can differentiate with respect to dt and into integrate these terms which is integrate earlier, so e to power minus t into dt, and further we integrate whole term, okay. T, if we integrate this, as we know, e to power minus a x with respect to dx integrate, then the solution becomes e to power minus x, and this coefficient is comes by, so e to power minus a, so we can write t into e to power minus t upon minus 1, and minus integration t, if we integrate t with respect to dt, so solution becomes 1 into this integration term is similar as, so we can write directly e to power minus t upon minus 1 into dt. So simplify first, minus t e to power t minus, here a minus and minus, so finally is plus e to power minus t into dt. So minus t e to power minus t plus, if we integrate these terms, the solution becomes e to power minus t upon minus 1. So e to power minus minus t into e to power minus t plus, here is a plus and minus, so we know if we add plus and minus, so if we multiply plus and minus, so final result is minus, so minus e to power minus t. Here is calculation as this one, this solution is left side and this solution is right side, so combining this solution we can write as x by 2 into 2x minus 1 by 4 e to power 2x is equal to minus t e to power minus t minus e to power minus t, and we can write one constant which is c, because this is a general solution,